Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे. आज की वीडियो will guide you into the beautiful world of natural beauty. तो देर किस बात की? Grab your seats and let's unlock your inner glow. So हम स्टार्ट करेंगे with our hair care. आप स्कूल जा रहे हो या अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हो और सिंपली घर पे सेल्फ केयर एंजॉय कर रहे हो. I have this amazing tip for you. एक ब्यूटी सीक्रेट जो हम एजेस से फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं. हेयर ऑयलिंग ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है टू नरिश योर हेयर. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपके बाल ग्रो करे, शाइनी हो, ओवरऑल बहुत हेल्दी लगे, तो फिर हेयर ऑयल आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड होना चाहिए. The first step is to choose an oil that suits your hair type and step 2 is to simply massage it into your scalp. Gentle head massage will stimulate the blood flow and आपके hair follicles आपको thank करेंगे. आप ड्रीम कर रहे हो वो bushy, bold brows के लिए. Then you should know that a little bit of oil can do wonders for you. Simple से DIY को बनाने के लिए you just need 5 drops of rosemary oil and add it to either coconut oil or castor oil. You can massage your eyebrows every single day before sleeping and soon enough you'll be rocking those fuller brows that everyone will notice. Okay, hair wash time. I totally swear by these steps because if you have frizzy, dry hair, this is going to be a total game changer. After shampooing, apply a conditioner for 15 to 20 minutes. Use filter or drinking water to rinse it off completely. Onto the eyebrows. These are affordable facial razors that can be used at home and they can be reused as well. All we have to do is take some aloe gel, apply it to the area we want to remove our hair, simply get rid of the facial hair and shape our eyebrows at home. Shaping and cleaning them at home can make a huge difference in framing your face. Do you know that well-groomed brows can highlight your features and give you that polished look? So, a little shaping goes a long way and it also enhances your beautiful face. Now let's chat about those fine hairs on your fingers and knuckles. With these simple ready-made waxing strips, you won't even have to worry about the mess the wax creates. And I'm going to specially use these waxing strips to remove the hair from the root. The hands grow hair the quickest. Plus, the hair is so fine that a razor cannot be used here. So, the simple step will minimize the regrowth over time. It will also make the hair finer and less noticeable. Just make sure to use a gentle wax designed for sensitive areas. Post this, make sure to apply a non-alcoholic toner just to soothe the area out. For the body hair removal, I'm only going to use a body razor. Apply a good body wash to help the razor glide smoothly and prevent nicks. Also, after shaving, do not forget to moisturize your skin. Talking about self-care, the hygiene has to be a top priority. When your teeth are clean and white, you not only feel more confident, but you also look your best. A beautiful smile can make a big impression. So you must practice regular brushing and flossing. For your toothpaste, you can also use a teeth whitening one. This will not only help in preventing cavities and gum disease, but will also keep your breath fresh. Also, make earwax cleaning a part of your self-care routine. Now who's ready for some skin love? Taking care of your skin is a total game changer for looking and feeling your best. For your skin to look radiant and healthy, you need to stick to the basics. For your skincare, you need a cleanser to start with. The cleanser will take care of the impurities. After a cleanser, if you want to brighten your face, you need a vitamin C serum. Post vitamin C serum, you can lather a moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Dark circles and puffy eyes can look a little bit off. For this, go for an eye massage. It will keep the circulation going, resulting to a less puffier and brightened under eye. The last step of your skincare routine is your sunscreen. Sunscreens help in preventing premature aging by blocking harmful UV rays. So with just 4 steps, you can achieve your radiant skin. Since we have to look our best without makeup, let's focus on our natural red lips. Make this super quick and easy DIY at home. Make this lip scrub by simply adding some ground sugar and add it to some almond oil. Applying a lip scrub is a fantastic way to exfoliate and get rid of the dry, flaky skin. It will not only boost the circulation, but your lips will look plumper and redder. Now, after you scrub, do not forget to follow up with a hydrating lip balm. And if you do not have a lip balm, I got something for you. Simply take a little bit of ghee and apply it to your lips. After a refreshing shower, applying body lotion is a must. It locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft, hydrated all day long. Plus, since the winter times are approaching, it's gonna prevent dryness and flakiness. Also, if you apply good body lotion, it smells great too. You do not need to use perfumes after that. If you want to smell a million bucks, use rose water on your face. This not only smells so refreshing, but it's also a great toner for your face. For your hair to smell amazing, just boil some rosemary leaves with some water and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to this. Now, if your hair is super dry, and you want to avoid spending a lot of money in hair spas, just follow these simple steps. After washing your hair, right when your hair is semi-dry, use a leave-in conditioner or a hair oil and let your hair air dry. This will give your hair a boost of moisture, it will also control frizz, and it also improves the elasticity of your hair. For my brows, I've been applying this simple DIY which I made at home. To make this, all you need to do is take a small saucepan, combine the coconut oil with rosemary leaves, heat the mixture over low heat for 20 to 30 minutes, and you've just made yourself a homemade brow oil. All I've done is let my hair air dry. After following all these steps, look at how soft my hair feels. Bamboo combs tend to generate less static and they are very gentle on the scalp. There you go, super soft, voluminous and shiny hair. Do you know that incorporating ice facials into your skincare routine not only offer a refreshing boost but also a lot of benefits for your skin? For this, all you have to do is take some ice cubes, put it into a bowl full of cold water, dunk your face into this ice bowl. This ice bath for your face will reduce the puffiness, tighten your skin and also stimulate circulation. By the rapid cooling and warming, this can actually boost the blood flow and promote a healthy glowing skin. You can do this a few times a week for best results. Taking care of your nails is an important part of looking polished and well put together. It's time to avoid the shady, untidy, overgrown yellow nails and focus on grooming. Guys, overgrown and dirty nails can harbor bacteria, which isn't just unappealing but can also be unhealthy. Regular grooming keeps your nails clean and reduces the risk of infections. Also, well-groomed nails allow you to express your personality through colors and designs. Keep it natural, you can choose a classic polish or something fun and trendy. Nail care is a small effort that makes a huge difference. So, it's time to say goodbye to the shady nails. Now, since this video is all about looking good without makeup, setting your brows with aloe gel is a fantastic way to achieve feathery brows without makeup. All you need is an aloe vera gel and a spoolie brush. Dip the spoolie into the aloe gel to get a small amount out. Take some amount at the back of your hand. Now use the spoolie to shape your brows, brushing upwards and outwards to create a feathery look. All you have to do is allow the gel to dry naturally. This way, you'll have the most beautiful groomed brows. And there you have it. We've covered some self-care tips. I hope these self-care tips help you look and feel your utmost best. If you liked today's video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves and shine bright. Okay, bye.